Coach me, Mello.
All right, everybody. We have another boxing. This one is the KeyChron K6, which is a mechanical wireless keyboard. I think it has dual compatibility with Mac and Windows. I'm mainly a Mac user now. It has some type of compact design. You can use it wirelessly or wired. You can pair up to 3 devices. I'm definitely only going to use one. And then battery life lasts up to 4 weeks with the backlit disabled. It has 15 light effects. Someone assume this is rechargeable, but I do have some AA batteries just in case. A tactile keyboard for peak productivity. And this is going on my office desk as well. So let's go ahead and crack this open. Yeah, get that plastic. Love ripping new plastic. From the outside, you can't really tell that the box is black. I thought it was some type of gray or something, but it's a black box. That's pretty cool. Let's see here now. Nice feel to the box. I feel like go ahead and pull this off. It looks like this comes up. Go ahead and pop it on. All right, there we go. Nice hard cardboard. What's this? This says KeyChron. This just has like, okay, so right here you can switch between Mac, Bluetooth, and cable. And then you need some more directions on how to change the light, disable auto sleep mode, turn off backlight. So I'm assuming this is rechargeable. This is chargeable. A tactile mechanical keyboard for peak production. So it got the option of command key. That's for Mac OS. So let's finish getting all the keyboard out of here so you can see what we're working with. It's got some nice heft to it. This definitely is rechargeable. Definitely rechargeable. Oh yeah, this is nice. Hold on, so we got the keyboard right there. I don't know what that is. Maybe that's to get the keys off. Okay. Cool. What's this? Backlight key. Okay, so yeah, here's the keyboard. Right here you see the option and command and control. So that's all, Mac. And then it also came with this bag of extra keys. So if you see this orange one right here, that's for the backlight. So let's go ahead and see that. Oh yeah, that's pretty cool. I think it came with this tool right here. So I'm assuming this tool is for getting keys. So you just go ahead and pop it open like that. I'm gonna read the instructions and get right back to you guys. Okay, so in the instructions, it doesn't say anything about this tool being able to pop the key off. I'm just gonna assume, or maybe it's like get dust off or something like that. Oh yeah, there we go. That's pretty cool. So we got that off with the tool. Had this twisted sideways a little bit. So let me go ahead and put this one on. Gonna put the orange one on, because that's what we want to use. We should just pop on. Boom, there we go. Alright, so I'm gonna go ahead and put this back in the bag with the other keys. The other keys is an extra alt key. Let me just take them out the bag. So we have a extra control key, an extra alt key, escape key. This is the gray escape key if you want the orange. I think that's multi-display key. The key I just took off for the backlight, and another alt key. So we're good. Go ahead and drop these back in the bag. We'll put this in here. It came with a USB-C and the USB charger cable. So this charges by USB-C. So I'm gonna go ahead and charge it up, and let's see if we got some Oh yeah, got a little kick right here. See if we get some use out of this. Alright, I'll be right back. Alright, got the charger hooked up here. Let's go ahead and plug it in and see what this thing does. Oh, that's pretty cool. Hold on. Let's get that down there like that. Alright, so this is hot. I ain't gonna lie to that. I like the clickiness of it. It makes me feel like I'm getting a response out of it. And yeah, this is pretty cool. Backlit, so it has a full RGB color scheme. So that's pretty hard. It's charging right now. So I'm gonna let this charge. I'm thinking about doing like some gameplay videos and stuff later on with the channel. So when I probably do the first video or something like that, or me doing like some productivity or a desk setup tour video or something like that, I'll show more of this in action. But I guess I'll give you guys like a sneak peek of how I'm gonna have the whole setup looking. But I think I might try. No, I ain't gonna travel with this. This is too big. Let's get the Mac. Let's get this Mac open real quick. Let's see. Boom. So let's see. That's this way. So as you know, you're probably gonna use this for like something else. You know what I mean? Let me get the camera right. Okay, so let's go ahead and let's just go to. Let's go here. Hold on, let me clear out that. Let's see how the setup process goes. So I'm assuming this is Bluetooth, so we're just gonna go to Bluetooth. Go here, open it up in the settings, and then we want to look for new. We want to look for new Bluetooth devices. Let's see if this is on. Get seen. Boom. There it goes. All right, so now this should be discoverable. Should be discoverable. Let me put the kicks up. And let's wait and see. Maybe I need to take this off. Okay, yeah, take that out. Let's see. See what that does. My mama taught me how to treat a woman, but never prepared me for the feeling of losing someone that you care about. I didn't break up nothing yet. Maybe I should show Bluetooth and see that. But I'm gonna talk that real. Ask me what I care about. The things I took for granted then are what I cherish now. I left the door open, that's why you stepping out. I guess everything is changing for the better now. Sorry about if you hear something in the background. That's my other MacBook charging up right now. Let me look at this booklet again real quick, just so I know what I'm doing. So it has a couple different light effects. The keyboard itself has a couple different light effects that you can use, so that's pretty cool. Switch to, press FN1 and Q. So that should do it. Again, FNQ should pop up now. Hey, there it goes. So if you didn't see it right there, just popped up with the KeyChron 6. Let me connect to it. Boom, keyboard connected. All right. Let's see. I like how this feels already. Like the responsiveness, the response from this keyboard is great. So I'm gonna go ahead and set this up on the table. I just got a Logitech mouse, so I'm gonna go ahead and redo the whole desk, and you guys can see it in the setup video. We'll talk to you later. Peace.
My mama taught me how to treat a woman, but never prepared me for the feeling of losing someone that you care about. Don't overdo it or you wear it out. I might tell a lie, you asking me my whereabouts, but I'ma talk that real, you ask me what I care about. The things I took for granted then are what I cherish now. I left the door open, that's why you stepping out. I guess everything is changing for the better now. Damn. Love letters, I'm sending you love letters. Love letters, I'm sending you love letters. Love letters.